Someone commented on my YouTube channel. They knew I was coming here. They're like, I want to hear the Hartley speakers at Altitudo room.
Oh, you know what? No, the Hartley didn't have
It was like...
have an OFI?
Right, something, and I said I
Hartley
didn't...
actually, I think it's... Oh, sorry, Hartley, yes, we do. We have it, sorry, that's Hartley from... I have those, I can bring them in. You want to put them on right now?
I don't know what it would take, maybe tomorrow, but someone commented, I said,
That's a new stand?
Yes. And that's amazing stuff too. That's incredible.
And I have those spikes. I want to just scratch the
floor.
Oh, that's
those angled. Is that what they're talking
Dinosaur,
about?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, they're very good. I have a chance to listen to them before, so yeah.
Okay.
If you really want it, I can actually set it up. Though we can try it. I mean, that's take me like 15-20 minutes, but I have to put those stands first.
Yeah, that's up to you. I'm okay with whatever someone asked, and then.
You know what? I can bring those. Connect speaker cables. I have to see the jumper need and all. Put those on a rubber feet. I can just set them here. If you want it, let's do it. Okay, let's give me 10 minutes. I'm gonna bring them in because they're still in plastic bag.
Oh, okay, okay, fair enough.
Yeah. This is how you get her. Yeah, you guys listen to it. I'll bring the new speakers.
Awesome.
Rubber feet, I have it ready. I tried to do it, but I was so busy. Now, okay, I'll bring them in.
You're not in the way. It's part of the journey. The audio factor, TriArt. Yes. Well, you know, you get swapped out your character. Last time was Brand new. Might have to move back one seat.
It's similar. Kind of just approximate. Size them up.
It's close.
Close enough.
And the primary gentleman is looking for closer. He's looking for
Let me back up one row.
Southern U.S. gospel thing, and they only impressed me like 100 times. Yeah, he really wanted. Couldn't find it because they keep going back. And then he found a guy in Hiram, Ontario.
Yeah.
Who had 3 of those roller door lockups filled with curtains. And he had 5 copies. 4 of them on one. And so he went to the guy and he
Pretty awesome stuff.
trade you this and I'll trade you this. Every time he answered, looks good.
And the larger ones that I saw at the shop, those are really interesting too. They adds 2 extra woofers, right?
Yes. That one I play it in my field.
Yes. Amazing. Yeah.
Yes. Those actually, you know, the open buffer speaker in my room doesn't sound good because you know that's lots of under construction.
Yes.
But those
And she
sounds amazing.
Amazing. That's really cool. Good to know.
And actually, really special speaker, I would say.
Yeah, they seem to be doing a lot of really good acoustic design inside of them, even though they're unusually shaped. They're doing everything else right.
Looking for somebody to go
Yeah.
through the records that had bequeathed to me. And just, of course.
So it's approximate
Side
position wise
Right.
close enough. Yeah?
Yeah, it looks right.
Okay.
First of all, you got to, are they good?
First I thought they were TriArt speakers.
I was gonna say almost. You can get these matchers.
I had no idea. Wow.
Almost.
Is TriArt behind these speakers? TriArt audio?
Yeah.
I've got TriArt.
Okay. Well, that's TriArt media.
Oh yeah. So much clarity on them. Wow. just want to take them